Respected Jantanaran Das, honorable members, PNGRB, distinguished guest in the dais, respected colleague from the industries, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. Actually, it is an honor to be part of this 14th City Gas Distribution Conference cum Exhibition 2026. At the outset, I'd like to congratulate Resonance Energy for holding this conference where the policymaker, regulator, and the distributors, all the stakeholders are together to discuss the future of gas-based industries in India. As India moves towards a more cleaner, greener, and self-reliance economy, the importance of natural gas in coming days will be very important. And for that, development of infrastructure is also of utmost importance. Now, when we talk about development of infrastructure, natural gas, there are many challenges that we foresee. One is the IGGL is laying a natural gas of 1,670 kilometer pipeline in Northeast. Now, when we talk about laying this pipeline, there are steep mountains, there are dense forests, there are mighty rivers, and there are geopolitical unrest there. So when there are challenges, there is also an opportunity. And we have to take advantage of the opportunities there. There are many isolated stranded gas fields that are there in Northeast. So when we were talking about laying this 1,670 kilometers, we will be connecting these natural gas sources to the national gas grid. And that is, in the coming days, is going to make a revolution or change. A lot of opportunities will be created in the city gas distribution all over India. The availability of domestic natural gas. I am glad to inform you that already IGGL, Indradhanush Gas Grid, has been able to achieve a physical progress of 88%. The phase 1 of 553 kilometers is already commissioned, it is under operation. The first time in the history of Assam, natural gas is now being supplied to the tea industries in northern bank of Brahmaputra. So all these things are happening. And as we lay the pipeline in Northeast, there gives an opportunity for the CGD entities for expanding their business in Northeast, connecting to the cities, connecting to the, I think I forgot that the purpose of this natural gas pipeline that we are laying 1,670 is connecting all the capital city of Northeast, all the standard gas sources, as well as to the anchor customers to the national gas grid. So as we expand this natural gas grid, it gives an opportunity to all the CGD players there to also expand their network, connected to the cities and smaller cities and towns, and also to the customers like the tea industry and other fertilizer industry there. So there gives a lot of opportunities opened by this distribution of natural gas in the Northeast region. Government of India, PNGRB, has also recently given an authorization to us for laying a 175 kilometer pipeline connecting Jorhat to Duliajan. This is also a very, very important pipeline which we have started the job recently. We have got the authorization in the month of February. So already pipeline tendering, then other approvals are in process. We have already achieved 17% of progress, and we are very hopeful that by applying modern management system, we will be able to complete in a record time of 24 months. So I am a firm believer that the next transition in city gas distribution will also be triggered. AI and digital technology will play a big roles in CGD transformation in coming years. We know that CGD entities are installing meters, maybe smart meters also in many places, and the data that will be generated from this, that will be available, and with the application of digital technology and AI, we will be able to predict, forecast the demand more accurately, city-wise, district-wise, and region-wise. And I'm very hopeful that this will help in efficient procurement of gas, managing efficiently the pipeline pressure, as well as operating losses in the pipeline. This data's AI in coming days will also help us in serving the customers in a better way, as the other problems, challenges that we have seen in, as Mr. Negi has already indicated us or has shown us, that safety is also a major concern. So I hope that technology will play a big role in coming days in overcoming or ensuring better safety in the pipeline. As well as we'll be able to serve the customer, their grievances through technology in a better way in coming days. I hope that today in this conference, the knowledge each of us will be having, will be discussing, and will be coming out with very novel, innovative ideas, by implementation of which will accelerate the growth of gas-based industry in Northeast as well as in India. I am adding my speech with a thought that the success of gas industry in coming days will not only be judged by the kilometer of pipeline we laid, but the life that we improve, the industry that we empower, and the intelligence through which we operate our pipeline. When IGGL is connecting to the remote area of Northeast, we are not only distributing gas, but we are opening opportunity and hope for the people of Northeast. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.